I'm back with my videos. I hope my videos are working for you. They are very helpful. So today my video is only for the parents, not for the kids, so they can enjoy. And there are some tips which I want to say to the parents which is very helpful. So the first one is, whenever your child do something, don't use the negative words. Always appreciate them, which is very helpful, which will be very helpful for them. Suppose if I say, if the child is doing some work with you, if he or she is helping, say thank you, appreciate, wow, so that from the next time they will work, you don't need to say it. They will directly come to you and they will help you. Suppose you are teaching something to your child like fruits or vegetables, and the next day when you teach again and the child recognizes that fruit or vegetable, you should appreciate at that time. Wow, you know this, it is very juicy. Wow, finally. So that it will be very helpful for them to learn again and grasp this easily. If you say negative words, it will be very boring for them. It will not be so excited for them. They don't want to study them, and they will not come to you and sit with all these things, fruits, vegetables, blocks, or any of the things. Anything, whatever the child do, appreciate at that time only. And don't wait, or don't say that I appreciate it afterwards. Every time, whenever you see whatever they are doing for you and it is very helpful, appreciate them. Secondly, I would say, never say lies. Whatever is there in the story, say them directly. Don't hide it from them. The start of lying, it comes from here, from home itself. Not from outside, not from their friends, not from the school. It comes from the home. If you say a lie, they see all these things and they catch up all these things very easily. Whatever, we also say that जो अच्छा चीज़ है हम लोग बहुत जल्दी कैचअप कर लेते हैं, लेकिन जो धीरे धीरे कैचअप करते हैं, और वही जो छोटा सा नहीं समझने वाला चीज़ है हम लोग उसको बहुत जल्दी कैचअप कर लेते हैं. यही चीज़ हमारे बच्चों के साथ भी यही होता है. जो वो देखते हैं, जो वो सीखते हैं, वो ही करते हैं. सो आई वुड से, अगर कोई भी स्टोरी है, कोई भी कुछ है, if you are hiding some chocolates also, tell them that no more chocolates, only on Sunday you will get it. Never say a lie, which will, by all these things, they will also start learning this. They will also start saying this, which is not good for them. The third point I would say, they should know their name. From the starting age, you should say their name. Knowing their respective names will help them. It will be very helpful for them. Suppose your child name is Ritvi or Arna or Khushi or Narayan. You should say that name respectively. It will be very helpful for them. Don't say Chotu, baby. No. Use their name. It will be helpful for them also. Then don't give your phone, tab or anything now. Please, I would say it is very harmful. While eating, you are giving them that, oh, mera beta kha lega, please ise de do, please give it to them. No. Stop. Instead, you should sit beside them. You should talk to them. You should know what is going in their mind. You should be a friend. You should be very friendly to your child. Instead of using phone, अरे खाना ऐसे ही खाता है टीवी देख के, no. You are making it a habit. You are giving him or her the chance to do this. If you from the starting days make a habit, no watching phone, no watching television while eating, they will not use it. They will not get the option only to use all these things. Next, I would say for the elder students that if you want to give something, you want to give any, suppose if you want to give a milk, and you are saying, please come and take a milk, please come and take a milk, but they are not coming because they are in habit that, अरे मैं नहीं आऊँगा तो क्या हुआ, मम्मा आ जाएगी. They are all these are the habits which we only created. If they are not coming, once you keep it there in the kitchen itself, they need to come in. They will come and they will take their milk by themselves. You don't need to come and you don't need to go and give it. You are making a habit that, अरे मेरा बच्चा नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे जाके दे देना चाहिए. No. Once or twice you should say, please take your milk. That's it. Finish at that time. Whenever you give food, whenever you give anything, chocolate, whenever someone is giving something to your child, please start saying them, say thank you, say welcome, say please excuse me. From starting only make a habit. Your child will not, I will not say that child will start learning from the starting stage only, but slowly when they will say that you are doing all these things, they will also start learning these things. Like thank you. When you are giving your food, you should say your child that please say thank you. They will say obviously thank you. It will be a habit of this. Never ever give chocolates in between. I would say keep it at twice a day. That is twice in a week, not a day. Sorry for my words. Twice in a week. That is only Saturday or Sunday. If you don't want, don't give it. That is also not good for your health, not good for your child's health. But say them that why you are not giving them the chocolates, why you are not preferring them. Don't say lies that please ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, मैं नहीं दे सकती. We have all these things, but we cannot give you. Now I would say, whenever you are sitting beside your child, always give them the colorful worksheet. Why they are not willing to sit with you and do the worksheet? Because the worksheets are not colorful. If the worksheets or the way you are teaching is colorful, then they will obviously sit. Think, if we go to a market and if we see something very colorful and very attractive, what do? We firstly go to that thing and then we pick it up. So this is the thing for the kids also. If you give them the colorful worksheet, they will obviously sit and do it. But one more thing, if you give them this colorful worksheet also and the same worksheet again and again, this will not work. I would say give different worksheets, because if I give you roti every day, it will not helpful for you. Similarly, it will not helpful for the kids also. If you give the same worksheet again and again, no. Rote making, we don't want our child to have this rote making pattern in their life. And instead of doing all the time worksheets, I would say please go for the practical things which you can do it yourself at home. Like I would say, you can give all the pulses together, all the different types of pulses, rajma, everything together in a bowl, and you can ask them to please differentiate them. Please keep it in a different bowl, so it will be easy for them. You can give a board with a colorful paper in it, and then you can give a toothpick and you can say them prick it up. You can give them and make a hole and say them to make a hole. It will be helpful for them. Give them the coloring the way they want. But if they are coloring on the wall, if they are coloring on the bed sheet, say them directly at that time. No. You should not, nowadays you are not saying your child because they will answer you back, because they are seeing all these things at home. That my mother and my father also talk to other parents or other family members in this way only. That's why they are getting in a habit of this. Arey main to rudely baat kar sakta hu. Never fight with your husband or with your family members in front of a child. It will create harm for them. They will also learn the same way. Whatever thing they are learning first, all the things they are learning at home only. First and last, I would say, please always appreciate them. Don't use negative words. Using negative words will harm them. Always give them stars whenever they are doing the worksheet. Over there, write, keep it up, good work, give a smiley, give a star. What will happen, it will make them do it. They will definitely want that, oh mama, please give me the next worksheet also. I will do it. Instead of giving them tab, अरे मुझे सोना है, ये tab ले लो. नहीं. You want to sleep, it's okay. You are tired, you can go. But you give some work which you want your child to do it. Thank you.